Elephant seals have a really short lactation period. From the time that the mother arrives on the shore to give birth to their pup to raising the pup, it's around 3 to 4 weeks only, when during this time the mother transfers all the excess energetic resources to the pup, and the pup gains lots and lots of weight during this time, and the mother is not feeding at all, is just fasting on shore the entire time. So that means the mother is losing a bunch of weight and the pup is gaining a bunch of weight really, really quickly. So what's unique in these seals is that despite the development and gestation period being on an annual cycle and being maybe what we're familiar with other vertebrates and other species, is that there's no learning involved, no bonding involved after the 3-week period. There's no post-parturition care in these mammals. For their body size, faucid seals have the shortest lactation period of any mammal, ranging from 4 days in hooded seals to about 6 to 7 weeks in Weddell seals, before the pup is abruptly weaned and considered independent of the mother. Now, given this is biology, there's got to be one exception to the rule, and that would be Mediterranean monk seal, which are exceptional in that they wean their pups gradually over 4 to 5 months, more like an otarid, which is the eared seals. For species with these extremely short lactation periods, they have the least amount of lean tissue growth, meaning that it's all fat going into the pup's body. And elephant seals in particular, once weaned, they undergo a post-weaning fast where they're just resting on the shore. It allows them to further develop their physiological growth. And that growth includes features like osmoregulation for diving and being able to develop the physiological capabilities of diving at sea. Now, the mother's resources are really, really important because these species are capital breeders, meaning that the female will need energetic resources from foraging in order to reproduce, and then all those energetic resources get transferred to the pup during the lactation period, and then the female's back at zero trying to reaccumulate resources the following year to reproduce again. So we see great relationships between the health and size of the mother to pup survival, for example. So all of this is really, really important when we're talking about overall population growth and the individual surviving through time. But in terms of mother-pup bonding and being abandoned, no such thing. This is completely normal for the species. The pups will just, once they're independent of the mother after 3 weeks, they will go through this period of development. When they're ready to go, they will go out to sea and they will start foraging and finding food, usually very close to where they start off at the island beaches, and then they venture out further from there.